What if someone gains access to your backup files, or you accidentally lose sensitive data? In this project, we will build a secure backup vault using Python. This tool compresses your files, encrypts them using a password, and allows you to restore them safely anytime. Many people create backups, but they forget that backup files can also be stolen. This project solves that problem using real encryption techniques. The application performs three main tasks: compressing files, encrypting them with a password, and restoring them when needed. To restore files, the user simply selects the encrypted backup, enters the correct password, and the program decrypts and extracts the files safely. The interface is built using CustomTkinter files are compressed. Using zip encryption is handled using Fernet cryptography, and passwords are converted into secure keys using PBKDF2. The user interface is designed to be simple and secure. Users can select folders, enter passwords, and monitor encryption progress visually. The password is converted into an encryption key using a secure key derivation function. Then, files are encrypted using symmetric encryption, ensuring fast and secure protection. This project demonstrates how encryption can be used in real-world applications. Source code is available in the description. Let me know what cybersecurity project you want next.